Hey guys, welcome back to today. We're actually playing Fortnite in Roblox. I'm gonna join the game right now, and this is what you do in Fortnite Roblox. You just join the game like this, and then you just jump on. Come on, jump off the edge of the building. Stop. Okay, there you go. I was just saying stop to you guys. I would never say that to you guys. And so, actually, okay. So guys, we're gonna be playing Fortnite in Roblox. I'm gonna kill that bacon hair noob over there. Wait, is that Jackson Gamer? I thought that was Jackson Gamer, but goodbye, noob. Get wrecked for me like a million days later. How did I not kill that guy? Get wrecked. What is wrong with you? Harry Hammer. That guy's a noob, you know? Ah, get wrecked. Boy, I almost hit a bad word. Come on, sniper. Sniper. If you guys want to join me, you can. No! I want to kill that guy over there because he doesn't deserve it. Where is he? That guy's killing me. Fire. Boy! I shot him in the head. Almost. I'm gonna skate Jackson. I'm gonna kill Jackson. I'm gonna keep that on. I'm gonna get revenge on Jackson from yesterday. I mean, just one day because he killed me and he was kind of mad, but I'm gonna get him. I'm gonna get him. That goes. Come out of the sky. I'm gonna wreck him. Boy, girl, who are you? I'm gonna destroy you. Me and Jackson fight in this video. We usually fight when we kill each other. So. Oh, I see him. That's a bacon hair noob. Where is he? Oh! Get wrecked, boy. I killed Jet. Jackson better not get me back. Jackson, dude. Guys, you dare me to destroy Jackson? I'll destroy Jackson if you want me to, guys. Bro, what the heck? Who the heck are you? Whoa, whoa, I'm dying. I'm dying so quickly. If Jackson didn't kill me. Because he has 7 kills, and he had 7 kills when he joined the game. So I know it wasn't. He didn't kill me. He left the game, guys. I have no idea. But we're gonna keep playing, because I'm not gonna end my video here. So we'll just keep killing people. Bro, I can't believe. All I'm gonna do this time is gonna grab one gun and run. Is there a scar on again? Are you done? Why would I be done recording, dude? I'm not. My earbud is falling out. Let me fire the gun, okay? Who are you, boy? I'm not done with my video. Bro. Jackson ends his videos too quick. Oh, wait. Whoa, 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 whoa. Get wrecked one day. Dude. So guys, I think I'm gonna end the video here. Hope you guys like and subscribe. Smash that like button, and bye.